In this video, I will provide you with 3 different design ideas for stairways with alternating steps. And I don't know if this will actually work for your particular project in your area, especially if you're in the United States. It might work in other countries. And if you're going to build a stairway like this, you better have a grippable handrail. And I would suggest having a grippable handrail on each side of the stairway. And try to avoid making the stairway wider than 24 inches so that both hands of the person using the stairway can be holding on to each handrail, because this stairway isn't designed for people to pass in opposite directions. So I wouldn't have somebody going up the stairway and down the stairway at the same time. And I think these 2 stairways are going to be safer than this one here, because you have more area for your feet over here than you do over here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this one here to show you how we offset the upper floor area. However, I didn't do it on the other stairs because I didn't think it was necessary. And again, these are just design ideas. I'm not really showing you how to assemble them, but giving you an idea of how this piece here is going to be longer than the riser height of the stairs to make it work. You can see down here where this one is smaller. And I would imagine these areas would need to be filled in with some type of a block. And these blocks would definitely increase the strength of the stairway. And for those of you who aren't familiar with alternating step stairway designs, you will basically be placing your right foot here, left foot here, right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, and then working your way all the way up to the top. And I really do think it's a neat idea or a neat design. I have never built a stairway like this because most of the stairway designs I worked with wouldn't have allowed this design. So here we're using a solid tread, but we have changed the direction of that tread so that again we could walk up the stairway while each foot is placed on the proper step. And I really don't know how something like dyslexia or other vision problems could create problems using these stairs also. And of course, these stair treads can be fastened with metal brackets or dadoed into each side of the stair stringer. And I do have books available on that at our website for those of you interested in that. And again, I didn't think it was necessary to offset anything here because you're basically just going to step here and then here. And that would apply to the same thing on the other side. And don't forget that there are plenty of different ways you can build and design these stairs. These are just simply 3 of them that I found that were the most popular. And I actually found this design in one of my older books. And there are still plenty of books out there that have plenty of good information that is not on the internet yet. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.